I'm Allison. This is Wonder Crochet. Welcome back. I have another fun crochet challenge for us today, but Christmas edition. If you haven't seen my other crochet challenge videos, I have a lot. It's one of my favorite things to do. And for this one, we are going to be spinning a wheel, which we've done in many previous challenge videos. So if you're brand new here, brand new to crochet, and you'd like to learn how to crochet plushies like all of these, I have a full online course that I'll link in the description. It teaches you from the very beginning how to crochet well with over 40 step-by-step videos, teaching you how to crochet your own plushies with basic stitches, more advanced stitches, how to read crochet patterns, and so much more. So on Black Friday, I of course went through Etsy, looked through all the different crochet patterns that were on sale because, you know, I can't pass up a good deal. And there were so many cute ones, and especially so many cute holiday ones. Just tons of patterns that I hadn't seen already. So I thought it would be fun if I put all of those patterns into a wheel, we spin it, and we make whatever the wheel chooses. These types of videos really help me with my indecisiveness when it comes to crochet patterns because I have so many in my pattern library and just not enough time to make them. So this will be a lot of fun, and maybe it'll give you some ideas for some fun stuff to crochet this December. And as I was looking through these, so many of them caught my eye because their listing photos and just all the information in the listing photos were so well done and so enticing that I definitely need to update all my listing photos after looking through all of these. And I'm going to do that by using Kittl. If you've never heard of Kittl, it's an amazing design platform that's been helping me a lot with my business. Whether it's making new listing photos on Etsy or even social media posts, Kittl has been so easy to use and a lifesaver for my business. Let me show you how easy it is. Right now I'm creating a listing photo for my new mouse pattern in my shop. I can upload my own photos to the artboard to get started. Kittl has great templates that you can choose from and tons of customization options. So I'm just adding some text and shapes, and my new listing photo is ready to go. I also have the option to choose between different downloadable formats. So if you're like me and you want a fast, easy way to make your crochet business look really professional, I would definitely check out Kittl. You can try it out for free, or you can use my code WonderCrochetYT for 25% off your first month or year on a paid plan. Link and details are in the video description. Thank you so much to Kittl for sponsoring today's video, and let's get back into our Christmas crochet challenge. So I found 7 different patterns that we're going to put into the wheel, and it'll choose randomly for us. And I tried to choose a little bit of everything, so I didn't want to do like a bunch of reindeer or any of the same type of plush. So here are the patterns that we are choosing from. We have this gingerbread dragon by Hook Crochet by Carolina, and I love this. I know how big dragons have been pretty much this whole year, so ending out the year by finally making one of these laying down dragons would actually be kind of perfect. And of course I love anything gingerbread, so this is gorgeous. So you'll see I love all of these patterns, but I think I'm leaning towards wanting to make the dragon. Next is this Christmas Moose by the Crochet Code AU, and this is just adorable. You know how I feel about sitting animals. I don't know why, but it's like one of my favorite things to crochet, and this moose is adorable. I think the antlers are perfectly done. It would work really well in the yarn that I have, so this is another strong contender. Not that any of them aren't strong contenders. And next we have this Christmas Snoopy and Woodstock and this little tree by Purely Works. I like this one because it's a bundle, and you get Snoopy, Woodstock, and the tree pattern. And you all know how much I love Snoopy. I didn't even plan this. This is just like the only Christmas sweatshirt that I have. But Snoopy's right there. And I think it would be really cute to crochet this and display it in my living room, like down by our tree and fireplace. So this one, really cute. Next we have Wren the Wreath by Lil Artist Bree. And this one is really giving Jellycat, and I love Jellycat plushies. I made my Christmas tree plush with the little feet to kind of give it a Jellycat vibe. So this would definitely go with all the stuff that I have in my craft room. And if you watched my video last week where I decorated the craft room, this would look really cute in there. I can always decorate more, and this would look really cute in here. And kind of along the same lines, next we have this little Christmas present, and this is by Little Baby Rory Crafts. And again, it's the same type of vibe as the Christmas wreath, just really cute amigurumi decor, and this would be perfect for the craft room. The next one is this animal Christmas tree. This is by Rin Meow, and she has a ton of cute patterns, and I just really like this one. I think it's a little bit different from the typical holiday plushies, and this one I could choose what animal I wanted to make. So I do like having a little bit of control since the wheel is picking for us. And the last one on our list is this reindeer by Marissa Toys, and I've seen a lot of reindeer patterns. I was going to create a reindeer pattern myself this year, but honestly I saw how many were out there and they're all cute and unique. I didn't feel like I needed to add another one to that, but I think this one might be my favorite just because of the outfit and its little legs, and of course we love a low-sew pattern. So we have a lot of strong contenders here, 7 of them. I would be happy to make any of them, but you know I'm leaning a little bit towards the dragon. So I put everything into the wheel. I'll pop it on the screen and let's spin and see what we get. Oh, it was meant to be! We got Snoopy. I don't think anything else had a chance because I was already wearing the sweatshirt and Fate had already picked it up for us. So let me get the pattern and I'm gonna put on Charlie Brown Christmas and start to crochet this really cute Snoopy plush. For Snoopy, I am going to use Hobie Honey Bunny in white and Parfait Chunky in black. And with this, I am using a 4.5mm hook. So I'm gonna turn on my movie and crochet a little bit. So I made the head, which is exactly the Snoopy shape, and the body, the legs and arms, and the ears. And now I just need to sew everything together, and I think I also might make Snoopy a little Santa hat too, because I think that would look really cute. Now I've sewn it all together and there is our cute little Snoopy. Oh, and I made a hat too. I did a little Christmas hat and I used little bunny yarn held together with the honey bunny yarn to make it fuzzy at the bottom. And there's Snoopy with his little Christmas hat. I love doing challenge videos like this because then I get to make patterns that I usually wouldn't make or wouldn't have time to make, so this was a lot of fun for me. So let me know if you enjoyed this challenge video and what other videos you'd like to see next. Give me a follow over on my Instagram. I post all my new projects and fun over there. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you again real soon.